Alright, in this section, we want to provide a practical example of using intercepting routes in Next.js and become more familiar with this concept. So for this task, I want to add a photo gallery. First, let's create a folder named image gallery in the project routes. In this folder, I will create another folder named images where I will put my photo. I will transfer 4 photos one by one into this folder. Now, in the image gallery folder, I will create a file named page.ts, which will be the main page of my gallery. First, I will create a simple React component named image gallery in this example using Tailwind CSS for styling. Here, the basic structure. Now, I will create a TypeScript file named places.ts to hold information about my image. Now, I will import static image data and create an array of image. Then I will import this array into page.tsx and dynamic map that images. For styling, I add a file named styles.css for using Tailwind CSS to display each image independently based on its ID. I will add a dynamic route name ID and create a page.tsx inside it. Finally, I will create a modal component and integrate it into the layout for displaying images individually. That's it. This example showcases the usage of routing in Next.js. I will go to localhost 3000 image gallery. As you can see, I have a gallery of 4 photos. If I click on each one, I see the photo along with associated data in a model file. Now, if I refresh the page, as you can see, the photo is displayed independently. You can find the code for this example on my GitHub, the link to which is in the description. This example covers all the points we've discussed so far about routes in Next.js. So, examine this example thoroughly. And if you rewrite it, let me know in the comments. Thank you for your attention. I will see you in the next video.